Welcome back everybody to 10 Codes. Today we're going to take a look at how we can generate new wallets on the Ethereum network using GoLang, Go Ethereum, as well as our local development environment. Let's jump straight into it. Alright, let's go ahead and pick up the code where we last left it off. So if you haven't watched the past two videos, it showed you how you can connect your GoLang decentralized application to an Ethereum node, and then from there we took a look at how we can query account balances for a specific Ethereum wallet address. So today what we're going to do is take a look at how we can generate new wallet addresses so we can use them within our decentralized applications. Okay, so we can actually get rid of a lot of the code in here because we don't need a live connection to an Ethereum node to generate a new wallet. Alright, so once we cleaned up our main function, let's go ahead and import the Go Ethereum crypto library, and that's just going to be Go Ethereum /crypto as you see it on the screen. And again, make sure that you are going within your terminal and typing in the go get command followed by the repo URL that we are importing, so it's available for you to use locally. The next library that we want to import is going to be from the Go Ethereum common and then hex utils library. And I made a mistake here. It should be hex util, not utils. Alright, so once you have the proper import set, let's go ahead within our main function and use the crypto library to generate a new wallet. We do crypto.generate key. And this function call is going to return two possible values. One is a private key, and the second one is an error if it encounters an error. And then with that being said, let's just do an if error does not equal nil, which means that there was an error encountered. We can just do a log.fatal and then say unable to generate new keys. And this should only be 1L for nil. Alright, so the next thing we'll have to do is convert this private key that is returned to us from the ECDSA format into a bytes format. And we can actually do that by using the crypto library by saying crypto.from ECDSA and then pass in the private key that we want to convert. And this will return a private key, and let's just say bytes so we can tell that this is the bytes version. Alright, so now that we have those bytes, we need to encode them so they are in the hexadecimal format. And we can do that by using the hexutil.encode function that we imported from the commons library. And we pass in the bytes private key, and this is going to return to us a hexadecimal formatted private key. So let's just print it out to our console, fmt.println. It looks like I forgot the colon here. Perfect. And then we actually don't use the ETH client, so we can comment that out as well as the first import common. And we also don't need context, so let's just comment that out as well. Alright, so now we have a main function that is generating a new wallet and converting it into bytes and then converting it into hexadecimal and printing it out to our console. Let's go ahead and save this and attempt to go run main go. And as you see, it generated a private key and returned to us the private key. As you can imagine, this can be extended to be used for many purposes. I hope this really helped you understand how to generate a new wallet using GoLang as well as Ethereum. Thank you much for tuning in. Again, if this video was helpful or you learned something new today, make sure you give it a like, comment any thoughts that you may have, and make sure you subscribe and click on that notification bell so you are notified every time I drop a new video. I will see you in the next one.